In the stillness of dawn, before the world awakens, a warrior rises, not for glory, not for recognition, but for mastery over himself. Discipline is not a burden. It is the forge where character is tempered. Every choice, every action, every small victory over desire. This is the path of the Bushido. The warrior does not wait for opportunity. He creates it. He shapes it with the steel of his will. To live without discipline is to drift like a leaf in the wind. To cultivate it is to anchor your soul, to align mind, body, and spirit. Courage is born in these quiet moments, where no one is watching and your spirit is tested against its own weakness. Discipline is a mirror. Look into it daily, and you will see not just who you are, but who you can become. The sword is not merely steel. It is patience, precision, pain endured and mastered. A mind disciplined is sharper than any blade. Every challenge is a sparring partner. Every failure a teacher. Strength is not built in comfort, but in struggle. To face fear is to awaken the true warrior within. The world will test you. It will demand your energy, your patience, your resolve. But discipline is the armor that does not bend. It is the quiet voice that says, I will endure. I will rise. Every morning you choose practice over comfort, focus over distraction, courage over fear. You carve your own path, one deliberate strike at a time. A disciplined mind can withstand storms that would shatter the untrained heart. Your life, like the blade, becomes sharper with every trial endured, every fear faced. Discipline is not only action, it is stillness. The warrior sits in silence, observing the world, observing himself. Meditation is his battlefield where thoughts are tamed and purpose is forged. In stillness, the mind sharpens. In patience, strength grows unseen. Every mind can be restless. Every heart can be tempted to wander. Yet the disciplined soul does not sway with every distraction. He waits. He listens. He acts with precision. True power lies not in motion, but in the control of motion. True freedom is found in restraint. Discipline so strong it changes you does not scream for attention. It is silent, relentless, and invisible, until it transforms everything around you. A warrior's path is never easy. The world offers no shortcuts. But when discipline becomes your nature, when courage is your companion and mental toughness your shield, you become unstoppable. You move through life not as a victim of circumstance, but as the master of your own destiny. Every day is a chance to refine yourself. Every moment an opportunity to act with honor. Discipline is not a task, it is your essence. The more you practice it, the more it shapes you, molds you, changes you. And one day the person you were will seem like a shadow of the person you have become. Be relentless. Be steadfast. Be disciplined. For in discipline you do not just survive, you transcend. You become the warrior your soul was born to be.